Abattoir. So we go in now, it's fine, you'll see the outer banner when we come out.
Hey?
Gonna go check the dairy farm out now and see what's popping. Oh, there's a car behind us.
Oh,
A buggy. Also coming to check the dairy farm out, my guy. It's popping with the dairy.
So it currently has a rural abattoir which is functioning. So they are slaughtering cattle, so these are some of the customers, and so it is working.
Ah, that's cool.
On that side. So it's the dairy and the pig are.
Oh, that looks a bit scrawny.
Oh my gosh.
You gotta wait on that one.
You need
Not
some
a happy
food,
one. Where do you want to go?
So
Why are the cows so skinny? Where does he get them?
he buys them like this.
He buys them from where?
one you bought?
Yeah, from the auction.
He bought...
So then you'll
Gone.
you'll buy it cheap, maybe 2,000 or 4. I don't know how much you buy, and then let
He's
it.
buying skinny cows
It's
cheap
gonna take
and
another
then
fattening up.
he's growing them to make them fat. Look at that
Go
guy.
up there and see the dairy. But
That guy is so skinny. Hey buddy, are you grazing there? He's hungry,
How
man.
scrawny it is.
He's very skinny.
Not a happy cow at all.
Old machinery. Entrance of the dairy farm. We're gonna go check what they got, but they got skinny cows, man. But apparently this guy buys them for cheap. See that? Old machinery, old farming machinery. Whoa. It looks like it's been abandoned. All been abandoned. This whole place seems to be abandoned. Whole place seems to be abandoned.
And let's see how it's stacked.
Old machinery. This is like an old plowy thing. Very old machines there. Then a spraying can. Oh, what is that?
oh, yeah,
What is this?
Cái bác hộp à?
Give away again?
Cái hộp đi lên để ta mới hộp ba đi hộp rồi.
Yeah.
Ra bu.
Yeah.
Yeah, bạn cái hộp ba rồi này.
Give me it's still wet.
Yeah.
Is that salt? Get salt, eh? Yeah?
Yeah, cái sổ thì cái xoài.
Kill it why? Keep everything fresh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Đi rồi cái nào để ông men.
Yeah. Oh. Utlodi etsang when you're done. What are you gonna do with it?
So ba ka ba tse.
Badi reka.
Yeah, ba di rek.
Oh, people buy this stuff. Buy it sadin so
Ba
katon.
di rek, ba ta di le ta chaka te ka.
Yeah.
Oh. Ba di ya tsona ba ka re ba tse ya ka Skype. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Ding khan natural. It smells very natural. Ke tse ding tse
Yeah.
dingata.
So they put the salt on and it takes out what's left of the fat. Drives the hide out.
Mhm.
And then, you know, however long, I don't know how long it takes, but in however long it is, then you come out with a dried hide. Because the salt kills all the bacteria. Now the bacteria doesn't in effect eat the hide and it doesn't rot. So that's why they're putting this salt on. It's like little road salt, eh?
Mm. Ah, sharp.
No problem. Yeah.
Salt killer.
So what? Drying this
That's
skin is like
basically
drying bacon.
It's the same as curing bacon. It's the same principle. It's the same principle. You put the salt. Salt kills microbes and dries the skin out, and then you're left with a dry skin with no microbes. and clean and ready to be processed in whatever form you want to process it further. To make, I don't know, to make a carpet to go on the rug thingy to go on the ground in the house, or you then take it from there, and then you would then potentially go and tan it, which would make leather for clothing or whatever like that.
It says no entry without a mask. But I don't got a mask.
Oh,
He
no,
don't got a
I've got
mask.
the mask, but they left it
He
in the
doesn't
car.
have a mask. No one has a mask. Now we're looking at the abattoir. Yes, sir.
So they're holding them here, push through.
So they unload there, bring them in,
Yeah,
then kill them here,
kill them there, and then
hang them the other side,
Yeah,
and then they go out to the butchery.
it looks.
Without going in, Gulu, and you go in.
I'm not going in, I've only put one foot in.
But you're in. Needs a bit cleaning. Whoa, this is where they hang them after they've been slaughtered.
So those things that side on those hooks,
And those hooks here.
yeah, and then they take all the innards out in there and skin it in there, and then they'll bring the carcass up and put it either on these hooks or in the cold room, depending on how quick, presumably, it's going to go out again.
Yeah, but this needs to be revamped and
Needs a bit of cleaning. Renovation. Needs a bit of a renovation.
Yeah.
Bit of a renovation. But that's the abattoir.
go up it. So they came,
Old machinery.
they assigned somebody to do the thing.
Yes, sir.
But we haven't found.
Entrance of the dairy farm. It is old infrastructure here and stuff, eh?
That one.
But it's cool.
Owns, is it 2,000 hectare farm? That guy. So he's got a farm. It's also the technical people like.
Yeah, well, I mean, how big are you going to build a new parlour?
Oh, some cow dung.
Because that's really...
Cow dung.
No, it's fine, it doesn't, you know, it's just the things that you've got to consider and think about. So
More
that
cow dung.
You know where you're headed. Because if you don't have a definite... Okay, so you've got to start from scratch on the milking part.
Whoa. Very run down. So small. How come it's so small?
It's just the old rural.
Four stall.
90s, 80s. Old, yeah.
So bulldozer on this one then.
Yeah.
Bulldozer and some new concrete.
Reproduction of this whole milking thing. Why are you running away? Why are you running away? Hey! Come back! Come back!
The plan for the whole bunch.
Yeah, I mean, you basically got to look at all your land holding.
Time to leave the dairy farm now. Time to leave the dairy farm. Heading up the next one. Look at that. Big shit. Big machine. Yeah.